Hi, I'm Dave Wagner, CEO of Everbridge. I'm excited to share a major step forward, not just for our company, but for the customers and communities we serve together. The introduction of High Velocity Critical Event Management, or High Velocity CEM. Every day, organizations face more disruptions, more often, and with more complexity. Cyber threats, extreme weather, supply chain issues, civil unrest. The challenges keep growing, and too many organizations are stuck, struggling to keep up, reacting too slowly, and operating in what we call the expanding risk zone. And it's not just the number of threats that's increasing. The surface area of risk is expanding too. Today's organizations rely on more vendors, more systems, and more distributed teams than ever before, which means more ways for disruption to spread. That's why we have enhanced our platform to meet the evolving needs of our customers and why we are ushering in a new era with High Velocity CEM. It's about helping organizations break out of that reactive mode, respond faster, smarter, and with more confidence. What makes it different is simple. It's a complete platform to support the critical event management lifecycle, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. And not just AI for the sake of AI. It's purpose-built AI, designed specifically for critical event management. Combined with our decision-ready risk intelligence, human guidance, and full lifecycle automation. It helps organizations know earlier, respond faster, and keep improving with every major incident they face. And this isn't something that we just started working on. High Velocity CEM represents the next evolution of our platform, built on top of more than $1 billion of investments and 20 years of experience, helping organizations around the world navigate some of their most challenging moments. I'm incredibly proud of what our team has accomplished, and I'm excited about what this means for you, our customers. High Velocity CEM gives you a way to take control of risk and protect what matters most, your people, your organizations, and your reputations. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us. This is an important milestone, and there's much more to come.